Now you can understand for which player now I'm going to talking about. He's none other than Zinedine Zidane, who was known for his elegance, passion, dedication, dribbling, goal scoring, and as an attacking midfielder. Zinedine Zidane has been a successful footballer and as a manager for Real Madrid, who has won three Champions League in a row, and this record will be unbrokenable for long time. I guess 1998 he won World Cup under France football team, and he scored 2 goals in final against Brazil. At that time 1998 he won Ballon d'Or in scored iconic goal in Champions League final against Bayer Leverkusen.